In this tutorial, I am using my Android phone. And if you don't have the app yet, just click Play Store and search in Inshot. Don't worry, iPhone users, because this will be exactly the same thing as the Android. And now, if you find the Inshot logo, click Install. Then we will be directed to Inshot. As you can see, Inshot has three features. Here, we can edit video, we can edit photo, and of course, we can create photo collage. Especially now that we've been doing distance learning, video editing and video creating is very important for us teachers, not just for school reports, but of course for our lessons. Before we will start, I will show you a sample video that I created here in InShot, and later on I will teach you how to do it step by step. And that's it. So now let's start. First, what we're going to do is to click on video, click new, and then we will allow access to our photos and videos in our cell phone, in our gallery that we've previously taken or saved. So now, let me choose videos and photos. You can also choose whatever you like. It could be video or photo that you can include in your presentation. I already selected videos and photos, and now they are added in my timeline. As you can see with the arrow, that is canvas. There you can resize, you can select what size of your video. It could be portrait, landscape, or bigger or smaller, whatever you like. Since we are using a free version InShot, we can see there the watermark InShot. So we don't want that there. So let's click free removed, and let's have a little patience of watching the short ad and then click X. It is now gone. So let's continue. So if it happened that the video you created or you selected is very long, or you don't like to include some footage there, so you can click and select split there and click delete. So the video is as how you want it or you like it. And now, the same with PowerPoint presentation. InShot also has different transition that you can use. That small button there, you can click that and you will see different transitions, different styles that you can use between videos and between photos. There, I selected that and added another one to the different videos. After adding transition, now it's time to add music. Yes, there, if you click the track, you will see a lot of saved music there in the app. You can see the featured, you can extract audio from a video that you've saved in your gallery. You can add your own music and effects. But here, let me choose our background music. Let's click Philip Morris. And there are a lot of saved music already. You can listen to it before choosing it. And if you're decided already, you click Use. So we're done adding our background music. And it happened that our saved video has already a sound. So we don't want that to be heard. What we're gonna do is to long press the video, set the volume into 0. And let's do that to the rest of the videos. Now let's add title to our video by clicking the text button there and type the title that you want to add. Once you're done with your preferred title of your video, you can click the text and click edit. There you can see different styles, different colors that you can choose from. And as for me, maybe I'll choose this one and then reposition again. Yes, that's it. If you also want to add another videos or photos to your presentation, just click the plus button and there you can see again your gallery and choose the videos that you want to add to your presentation. Here I want to choose photos this time. Now the photos are already added in my timeline. I want to also add another subtitles of the video. I will click again the text button and then type the subtitle that I want to add. So I will put here Cutting of Ribbon by PSDS Cajote. Like we did a while back, let's add some styles and colors that we preferred. We can also adjust our text, whether it's smaller or bigger, by dragging the arrow button on the side of the text. As you can see there, the white one. And once you're decided, just click the check button. The text is already added in our timeline. After that, we can adjust by dragging the arrow button on the side. There you have it. And click check. And now this time, let's add an intro for our video. Let's click the plus button. And now let's scroll our gallery for our saved intro. There are lots of free intro videos in YouTube. Yes, they are free. And what we're gonna do is just download it. If it happened that you don't know how to download yet, so I will give you free intro videos because at the end of my session, you will be creating your own video presentation using Inshot as your output. And then you can reposition again your text by just dragging it, long press and then drag and reposition it. The same with the music. We can also add photos on our videos by clicking the sticker button. Yes, you can add stickers, but as for me, I will add photo. Yes, add photo. Let's scroll in our gallery. Let's find logos. Yes, I want to add this logo of our department. And like what we did, we will resize it by dragging the arrow button here below. Yes, drag it. You can pinch it, smaller or bigger, whatever you like. And after that, reposition the photo where you want to put it. And this time I will add again another logo. The logo of Division of Zamboanga del Sur. And the logo of our school, Josefina Central Elementary School. And we will be doing the same thing. Add again another photo by clicking the sticker icon and find the logo. Yes, reposition it, resize it, and there you go. Let's try to preview if it went well. Yes, the logo. Okay, that's it. Now this time we want to put some effects on our videos. We will click this filter and we will put effects, and there we can choose free effects that we can put in our videos. There I choose zoom out, and then I will add another one. Click filter again, effects, and glow zoom. Yeah, that's it. Not only in videos, we can also add effects and transitions to our photos. Just click the photo, edit, and then click the transition that you like. And then repeat, click the photo, edit, and add transition. So once you're done, we need to export it. We will export our video by clicking save, and then we will choose resolution 1080p. And that's it. You're ready to go.